If your regular knives make prep time a chore, letting you down when you need the most, you'll love Kleva Cut Master Series Elite, Australia's favourite knives with the most incredible balance and superb durability you'll ever need. Ordinary knives struggle to cut through pumpkin. Kleva Cut's traditional oriental knife with custom curved blade glides straight through, making slicing so easy you'll think you're a master chef. The secret's in the exclusive MRE sharpening technology. Regular knives use a conventional V-shaped edge. Kleva Cut uses a convex edge with less surface area that reduces resistance to cut quicker and safer. All made with Japanese Vermolcrium steel to stay sharp longer. Forget flimsy old-style kitchen knives. This authentic Santoku knife with classic grunt on edge stops sticking to cut faster and easier. And introducing the Elite Series vegetable knife with wide high-wall blade. We guarantee slicing vegetables will be easier than ever or your money back.
And if you have those clever knives, your life is much easier.